How to make a Tarpapel on Canva. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a tarpaulin using Canva and List. So make sure to stick around till the end and let's get started. First, open Canva and select the project you want to use, like this one here as an example. I have made this logo of my YouTube channel on Canva. Once you're in, click on Share, then hit Download and make sure the file type is set to PNG. Tap on Download and wait for it to finish. When it's done, save it somewhere you can easily find later. Next, open a new tab and go to app.dockerslist.com. Once you're on the site, click on Poster. Here, you can select the grid layout you want, like 3x3, 6x3, or any other format. You'll get a live preview as you choose. Now, upload your PNG file by clicking Add to Page and adjust it by stretching the corners to fit the grid. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click on the Share or Export icon. You'll see options for scissor marks, cutting lines, and margins. You can toggle them on or off depending on your preference. I personally go for larger margins to make cutting easier. When you're done adjusting, hit Export again. Choose whether you want to save it as a PDF or image depending on your needs. I'll choose PDF for now. Wait for it to export, then download the file to your desktop, and that's it. That's how you can easily make a tarpaulin using Canva and List. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.